Raise your hand if your favorite part about making cookies was living dangerously and eating the dough. Now raise your hand if you like Cadbury cream eggs. If you raised your hands to both, you are in for the Easter egg of your dreams. No danger required. So grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to make some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. For returning subscribers, welcome back. First, it's time to make the edible cookie dough, which contains no eggs and uses heat-treated flour. Some people have strong feelings about edible cookie dough, so if that's not your thing, just skip this recipe. The rest of y'all still here? Cool. You'll need to microwave the flour for 30 seconds, making sure to stir after 15 seconds. Then sift it to cool it off. To a mixing bowl, add your flour, 1/4 cup of light brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and break it up and give it a stir to combine. Add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla and 2 of your 4 tablespoons of almond or evaporated milk, and a 1/4 cup of mini chocolate chips. Give it a stir and add more milk a tablespoon at a time. You don't want the dough to be too sticky. Now it's time for the fun. Unwrap a mini candy egg and grab a cookie scoop sized ball of dough. Flatten the dough until it's about the size of the palm of your hand. Place your mini egg in the middle of the dough and pull the sides up to completely cover the egg. Then give it a little roll to smooth out the texture. Place it on a wax paper covered plate while you work on the other ones. Unwrap your other eggs and repeat the process. Label your wax paper as to which filling is inside. Cover them with plastic wrap and place in the freezer for about 20 minutes. Get a small pan of water boiling to make a double boiler. Place a metal or tempered glass bowl on top and turn the heat to medium-low. Add 1 cup of chocolate chips to the bowl and allow to slowly melt. When it's nice and smooth like this, turn the heat down to low. Place one of the eggs into the chocolate and coat thoroughly. Move the egg onto a fork and gently shake to allow the excess to drip off. I assign sprinkles to each filling so that I know that the polka dots will be the caramel and the sprinkles with the bunnies will be the cream filling. Stuffed chocolate chip cookie dough eggs are seriously the best thing to hit your Easter basket. I don't know a kid or adult that wouldn't love these few bites of indulgence to top off Easter dinner. The mouth-watering edible cookie dough that surrounds the classic Cadbury cream or caramel eggs are blissful to say the least. Ooey gooey goodness times 2 means a guaranteed smile or two. Thank you, Easter Bunny. For the full printable recipe, head over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the love with your family and friends.